Today we've got a before and after restoration of two watches that we've recently acquired. One's a Tudor vintage watch from around the 1920s, stainless steel with generic expanding strap. Here you can see it's been worn, it's got scratches, probably some deep scratches as well. The expanding bracelet is a good one, but it has a dirt between the strap. We're going to restore this so it's ready for resale. You can see the patina on the dial, and here we've got a vintage classic rotary when Rotary used to make Swiss made watches. It's actually on a 9-carat gold case dial. The dial has signs of patina, but everything is still there, it's clean. And then you've got an Excalibur strap on here that we're going to try and clean. It's made out of 1/10 rolled gold. Some of the plating has worn out on the strap. Let's see what we can do with this, but we are going to try. And here we've got myself opening the back just to show you the inside. We're going to remove the movement before cleaning the watch, because you can't put the movement in the ultrasonic machine. It will get damaged, so don't try that at home. Here you can see the internal movement actually produced by Rotary, which is amazing to see. You can see there's some green accumulation of dirt. It will be serviced by our watch professional at our shop. Just want to show you a glimpse of the movement because you don't often get to see it. Watchmaking today in comparison is nowhere to be seen when it comes to watchmaking in rotary movements. Right now the movements in rotaries are like Mayota or basic quartz movements. Here we've got the Tudor. It's quite old, estimating it to be about a 1920s. You can see the dial is in good condition, but it has major signs of patina. But I think that adds to that vintage feel of the watch. If you want something unique, don't want to wear Rolexes like everyone else, something unique, this is a collector's piece. As you can see, we're not going to touch the dial. We are not going to restore the dial. We're just going to service the movement, make sure the timing's going well after servicing, and then put it back together. Obviously these watches aren't waterproof. They weren't designed to be back then. This was a dress watch, probably worn by an aristocrat of some sort. So here you can see we're about to polish the rotary case. So we've taken the movement out and here we are buffing it up. Like I say, because these are vintage, we don't want to do too much restoration on it, just basic cleaning and polish. Right, and then we're going to move on, and that's the Tudor casing, and below there's the rotary casing, and we're going to pop it in the ultrasonic machine once the temperature's reached the right temperature. And here we have the finished rotary piece put back together again, and I must say I am surprised at how well this one has come out. We even polished the perspex or flexi glass because they can be polished, unlike sapphire crystals. Once they've got scratch on it, you can't polish, but they've come out really good, serviced, ready for sale. And these watches are going to be most likely between 500, and the Tudor will probably be slightly more. I haven't worked out the price yet, but they are collector's pieces, and rather than spending £300-400 on a Hugo Boss watch or a designer Guess watch, this is something that has craftsmanship in it. It's vintage. It's something that Rolex watches and Swiss brands still produce movements such as this. Obviously better today than before, but you can't get a Rolex watch for £300-400 with this sort of movement. Whereas you're getting a mechanical watch that is represented by Rolex, being Tudor being its sister company, and you're getting great value for money. If you like this sort of content, please give us a like or follow on TikTok.